Hello students, Mr. Young here. Welcome to Chapter 20. Chapter 20 is all about the Renaissance and the Reformation. What is the Renaissance, you ask? Well, it's a time when they painted a lot of naked people. Well, that's not totally inaccurate. There's a lot more to that. Uh, so, so the chapter starts off, really, it's like a history of Italy, and that's where the Renaissance started. What is the Renaissance? It's sort of this time when like all the terrible things that happened during the Middle Ages, sort of like the Black Death, slows down a little bit, and people are like, "Oh yeah, reading and art are cool again." And then you have this sort of new explosion of art, literature, culture, and religion. And it started in Italy and sort of worked its way slowly north. Um, there were new artistic methods created. Paintings started looking like the Mona Lisa instead of like super ugly or blocky like a kid did it. Old art was pretty bad. There was they sort of refound the classics of Greek and Roman literature. In our first two lessons, there's 4 lessons in this chapter, really focus a lot on that. And then the next two is sort of religion. We talk about the Protestant Reformation. Basically, the Catholic Church had finally gotten too big for its britches. We talked about this problem before. And this guy, Martin Luther, basically broke away, and then there was a new church, and that's why we have Protestants and Roman Catholics now. We'll learn all about that. And then there were multiple little subsects of Protestantism, and there were whole wars fought over it. Holy Roman Emperor and France. A lot of wars happened in the last two. We have the Spanish Armada, was exciting. We've got some uh, real like Game of Thrones uh, marriage, alliance breaking, betrayal sort of things happening in the next two chapters, in the last 2 lessons. Pretty started off like artsy fartsy, and then it got pretty intense real quick. So that's our chapter 20. A lot of going on there. Go ahead, bump on to the vocabulary, and then today we'll have a vocabulary assignment, not a quiz, some kind of writing assignment. That's it for now. Tomorrow, we get into one.